Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple sweet bad or rock buns recipe with you all. It's such a delicious snack, and trust me, you are definitely going to love it at the end of this video. So if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To start with, I'll start by mixing my ingredients. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Moving forward, I'll go in with some nutmeg, baking powder, salt to taste, and I'll mix everything together until everything is nice and well incorporated. While that is going on, don't forget as well to subscribe to this channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Moving forward to a separate bowl, I'll go in with my sugar, vanilla essence, evaporated milk. For the flavor, you can as well use any flavor of your choice. I will next go in with some water, mix it all together until the sugar dissolves very well. While that is done, I will set it aside and move on with the mixing of the flour, which I'll go in with some butter. I'm using 3 tablespoons of salted butter, right? And since I'm using salted butter, you just have to be mindful with the salt that you go in with it, all right? So now let's mix everything together until the butter mixes well with the flour. Alright, so whilst that is done, I'll also go in with my liquid little by little because I really want to achieve the perfect consistency. With this, you just have to make the dough as if you're making puff dough. But this time around, it should be very sticky and a little bit hard. Not too soft and not too hard as well, right? So now let's mix and add in the water gradually until we achieve the perfect consistency that we want. Alright, so after achieving the perfect consistency just like this, I'll just make it more sticky with my hand, just the way you see it on the screen right now, because after frying we want the outcome to look like a rocky texture. That is why it is called rock buns. This is fried rock buns or sweet bad. So now we are done with the mixing of the dough, and this is how I'm going to drop the dough very nicely in the oil. So now all that is left is to start to heat up some oil. Remember not to make the oil too hot, because we really want the sweet bad to really come out very golden and very beautiful. All right, but before I drop in my buns, I'll go in with just a little bit of the dough just to test the oil if it's hot enough, and as soon as it starts to float on the surface of the oil, that indicates that it is ready. So I remove it and start dropping in my sweet bad just the way you see it on your screens right now. So now let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Remember to also fry this on low medium heat to achieve the perfect results. While that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on our sweet pad, and as you can see, it's looking all golden and just perfect. So at this point it's ready, so I remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel to absorb the oil a little bit and enjoy yourself. Just let me know in the comment section how many of these can you enjoy in a day. I can enjoy a lot, a lot of this in a day. And it's also one of Ghanaians' favorite street snack as well, so trust me, you know how Ghanaians, when they love something, they go for it. So trust me, trust this recipe as well and try your hands on it and you are going to love it. So I repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget as well to share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye.